Chapter 8 The Fetcher in the Sky. Meanwhile,
I'm so glad we're roommates, Grandpa.
I'm not Grandpa! I told you like a million times!
I know, and I believe you, Grandpa.
Meep.
But then, we interrupt this tender-hearted moment with breaking news. Dogman and Chief are heading to town to stop the evil tree that is attacking the city. Evil tree? Attacking the city? Uh-oh, Dogman and Chief are in trouble. And they're going to stop the evil tree. This looks like a job for Commander Cupcake.
What are you doing?
Well, you see, Grandpa, I'm not like other cats. You see, I fight for frosting. I stand for sprinkles. And I champion the cause of carbohydrates. Amen.
Nobody cares!
But I'm Commander Cupcake.
Well, that's just great! I was just thinking what we really need right now is a guy in a cape whose only superpower is that he eats a lot of cupcakes.
I also eat sprinkles.
That's not helpful. We're stuck in here without a key.
Psst, we don't need a key, Grandpa. We shall escape through my cupcake corridor. Watch this.
Oh! You had an escape tunnel this whole time? You didn't tell me?
You didn't ask.
Meanwhile, as Dogman and his friends got closer to the scene of crime, they grabbed some weapons and prepared for an epic battle. Dogman, Zuzu, Chief, and Sarah versus the Fair Fairy, Downward Dog, Barking Treeface, and the Tadpoles. It's time to give up, Fair Fairy.
Never! You do-gooders can't stop my super angry psychonite tadpoles!
Stop the tadpoles, Dogman.
Stop Dogman, tadpoles!
And so... Come on, Chief, let's get those tadpoles. Right. But then... what's happening to my arms? It's those tadpoles. They're zapping us with their brains. And we can't control our arms anymore. Woo! And so... Hiya! Dude, that poodle is getting away!
Let her go. She's just a tiny poodle. What could one tiny poodle possibly do?
End of chapter 8.